under root 1 plus x minus 1 by x. Same as above problem. Limit 1 plus x whole power 1 by 2 minus 1 power 1 by 2, add plus 1 and minus 1. Next, add 1 on both sides. 1 plus x, 0 plus 1. So, this is x power n, same above formula, x power n minus a power n, x power n, a power n by x minus a equal to n into a power n minus 1. So, n value 1 by 2, a value 1, power n minus 1. 1 power anything equal to 1. So, 1 by 2 into 1. 1 by 2 into 1 equal to 1 by 2. Eighth problem. Limit x tends to infinity under root x square plus x minus x. Rationalize this function. There is a minus b. So multiply and divide with a plus b term. All of these limit x tends to infinity x square plus x minus x. This is a minus b. Multiply with a plus b and divide with a plus b. A plus b. A plus b. Multiply and divide with a plus b. So in the numerator, a minus b into a plus b, a square minus b square. Limit x tends to infinity x square plus x whole square, root 2 square cancel, minus b square. B square value x square by under root x square plus x. Root 2 square cancel. Limit x tends to infinity x square plus x minus x square plus x square minus x square cancel. Take x square common. Take x square common plus x. Root x square value x. Root x square value x. Limit x tends to infinity x by root x square value x. Remaining root value under root 1 plus 1 by x. This plus x is this one. Once again, given problem is this one. Rationalize the function. Multiply and divide with a plus b, a plus b. Numerator a plus b into a minus b. So a square minus b square. Root 2 square cancel. X square cancel. In the denominator, take x square common. 1 plus 1 by x. Root x square value x. Next, take x common and cancel with this x. Limit x tends to infinity x by take x common 1 plus 1 by x plus 1. x cancel. X tends to infinity. So 1 by infinity, something by infinity equal to 0. So numerator value 1, denominator value under root 1 plus 0. This is 1 by 1 plus 1. So answer is 1 by 2. Ninth problem. Limit x tends to infinity under root x plus 1 minus root x. Same as above problem. First rationalize this one. Under root x plus 1 minus root x, multiply and divide with a plus b term. With a plus b term. See the numerator, a plus b into a minus b, a square minus b square, under root x plus 1 whole square root x whole square by under root x plus 1 plus root x. Root 2 square cancel. X plus 1 minus x by under root x plus 1 root x. Plus 1 minus 1 cancel. Limit x tends to infinity 1 by under root x plus 1 plus root x. X tends to infinity. So denominator must be infinity. So something by infinity. Something by infinity equal to 0. 10th problem. Limit x tends to 0. X into e power x minus 1 by 1 minus cos x. Limit x tends to 0. E power x minus 1 by x equal to 1. Second formula. 1 minus cos a, 2 sin square a by 2. We apply 1 minus cos a formula. All of you listen. Limit x tends to 0, e power x minus 1 by 2 sin square x by 2. This is in the form of a sin theta. So sin theta by theta into theta. Limit x tends to 0, x into e power x minus 1, this 2 is this one, sin theta by theta into theta. But there is a square, so take squares. Take squares. Sin square x square by 4. 1x cancel. 2 times cancel. See, limit x tends to 0. E power x minus 1 by x. E power x minus 1 by x. 1 by denominator. Sin theta by theta value 1. 1 square into by 2. That is 1 by 2. E power x minus 1 by this x. Remaining value 1 by 2. So this is also equal to 1. 1 by 1 by 2. 1 by 1 by 2 equal to 2. Limit x tends to 0. E power x minus 1 by under root 1 plus x minus 1. Divide both numerator and denominator with x. Divide both numerator and denominator with x. This is direct formula. E power x minus 1 by x equal to 1. Limit x tends to 0. This is 1. Next, this one. 1 plus x. Bit number 7. See the problem number 7. Same problem. Under root 1 plus x minus 1 by x. This is a same 7th problem. So 1 plus x whole power 1 by 2. 1 power 1 by 2 by add plus 1 and minus 1. Root means power 1 by 2. 1 power 1 by 2. Add and subtract 1. Limit also. Add 1 on both sides. So this is x power n minus a power n by x minus a. So n into a power n minus 1. So 1 by 2. This value is 1. 1 by 1 by 2 equal to 2. See this one? Divide both numerator and denominator with x. This is direct formula. 1. This one. 1 plus x whole power 1 by 2. 1. 1 power 1 by 2. Add plus 1 and minus 1. This is in the form of x power n minus a power n by x minus a. N into a power n minus 1. N into a power n minus 1. So 1 by 1 by 2 equal to 2. Next, last problem. 12th problem is this one. 11th problem is given e power x. Remaining problem same to same. So, in e power x, there is a 3 power x. So, divide both numerator and denominator with x. So, this is limit x tends to 0. A power x minus 1 by x equal to log a. We apply that formula. A power x minus 1 by x equal to log a, where a value 3. Denominator is same to same, by log 3 by. So answer is 2 into log 3. In the 11th problem, e power x. In the 12th problem, 3 power x. E power x minus 1 by x equal to 1. A power x minus 1 by x equal to log a, where a value 3. Denominator same to same. So log 3 by 1 by 2. Take its reciprocal 2 log 3.